Good morning.
Morning.
Mom and I are heading out this morning to go do some junking. We're really excited. We are going to be traveling. We're going about an hour away now, but we're doing some traveling and we're going to go and look for some items that we've been wanting for our house.
We've got a couple little redecorating and remodeling projects going on in both of our homes. So we just thought we'd kind of bring in some old into our new, and we thought we'd bring you along today. Hope you enjoy it.
Making a U-turn. We just saw a big, huge, what would you call it?
Like a yard sale.
Yard sale type thing. So we're turning around.
Okay, so that was a bust.
No go. It was cute.
On to the next one.
This place looks awesome. It's huge.
Here we go. Let's see. Okay, we're here at Holly Hills Antiques.
Oh, look at the whole town.
Here, we have the whole place to ourselves. Let's go. We've had some success today.
Yes, we found a screen door for my pantry, which after I do the screen door, I'm going to do a reorganization pantry for you guys, so you'll be able to see the new pantry door on that. And then we found a washboard that we are going to repurpose and
do a craft with that.
You'll see that later too.
Yep. So stay tuned, we got some really fun stuff coming up.
So I wanted to do something for my kitchen wall, and we already had a key ring, but I wanted something a little bit different. So I saw this washboard and thought, this is exactly what I want for that space. So I grabbed the washboard, and the whole time kept thinking, how can I make this my key ring holder? Then we saw this bin of hooks and metal stuff and started rummaging through, and I saw these nautical hooks. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is perfect. My entire house is very nautical, so I thought this would be the perfect fit for my house. So what we did is put that anchor piece right at the base of the washboard to make it a key ring holder. We drilled holes in the piece first, so it made it easier, and then we screwed in the nails. It was so easy, and it turned out perfect for that space. All right, guys, that wraps it up. I think that we had a really successful trip. It's been really fun, and we've had a really great time.
Yeah, and thanks for coming along with us, and I hope you enjoyed this weekend. Come along with us vlog style. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye. Guys.